Hello everyone, here's a question I get a lot. How do I bring a pattern from Photoshop into Illustrator? Here I have a file that has a large rectangle with our pattern already applied to it. And up here we have our background shapes with our motifs placed on it to create our pattern. All I need to do is, you can do this in one of two ways. I can just grab a marquee tool and drag it on the inside of the outside border of my my motif creation. I can go to Edit and we'll do a copy merged. And then I'll go to Illustrator here and I will paste. Now once I have this in here, I can just simply make a pattern in Illustrator. Object, pattern make, and then we'll see our pattern has been added to our swatch panel. Here's a preview of what our pattern will look like. Here's my pattern swatch. I can make a name for it. I can say done. Once I have this, I don't need this anymore. I can delete it. I can grab my pants here. This is all grouped here. Now I don't want to go through the trouble of object and ungrouping everything. I can just simply grab this outline layer. I'm going to triple click this. Here's the group. This is called isolation mode. When you triple click, the screen goes gray and it shows you your levels in your layer panel. If I triple click again, I see the path that was created, just the outline that needs the fill for my flat. Once I have that selected, I can go to my fill area and select my pattern. Now you're looking here and you may say, this is not the orientation of the pattern, of my pattern that I want. You can simply drag this shape around and you'll see how the pattern stays stationary behind my shape. I'm going to move this around to where I want my pattern to be. Once I have my shape oriented in a way that displays the pattern in a way that I want to lock this pattern down in this shape so it doesn't move around anymore. And we need to do this by going into our Transform Pattern Tile option. That's found in our preferences. For Mac users, if you go up to your icon over here and click it, you can get to your preferences. For PC users, we go to our Edit dropdown, we go to our Preference Settings, then select General. And in this pop-up here, you will see an option here called Transform Pattern Tiles right here. It is unchecked right now, so that means I can move the shape around. But if I click right here and check it and hit OK, now you'll notice that my pattern is no longer moving with my shape. So I can put this shape back. We'll get out of isolation mode by triple clicking on empty space, and you will see I've now transformed my flat with my flat that's oriented the way I want using Transform Pattern Tiles. Hope this helps. Bye-bye.